How to start a Paneer manufacturing business. What is Paneer? Paneer is a traditional milk product widely consumed in Asia-Pacific countries. Is Paneer making business profitable? The Paneer making business is considered profitable and lucrative, especially in India and South Asia. 8 steps to follow to start a profitable Paneer processing business. 1. Creative business plan. A well-crafted business plan is crucial for success and legal compliance. 2. Choose a location. For Paneer processing factory, find a location with low distribution costs and proximity to suppliers and markets. 3. Name your Paneer processing business. Choose a name that resonates with your target customers and check domain name availability. 4. Make the business legally compliant. Obtain necessary registrations and licenses, including FSSAI and GST. 5. Machine and equipment for Paneer processing. Invest in essential machinery like Paneer vat, cutting machine, and cold room. 6. Cost of starting Paneer processing unit. The cost depends on the scale of business with a small plant, starting from Rs. 7. Paneer manufacturing process. Process milk, coagulate, filter, slice, pack, and store under refrigeration. 8. Promote your products. 9. Focus on these 3 areas for long-term success. Focus on distribution, focus on branding, focus on advertising. Ready to start your Paneer business? Contact us now.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.